What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about spark plugs and how much they cost, because I called around to see, you know what, I didn't really want to do it myself, but after calling around and figuring out how much it was going to cost, I was like, you know what, I might as well just do this myself. Because one, call the place, they're going to charge me $17 per spark plug and $120 for the wires. I was like, that doesn't seem right, because I called AutoZone the other day and they were going to charge me $10 per spark plug and $50 for the wires, for $130. With labor, if I would have went to the place that I normally would have gone, would have charged me $480. You know what? It can't be that hard, right? So let's just go to AutoZone, let's pick up the parts, see if we can do it ourselves. If not, then I guess we're screwed and we're just going to have them fix my mess. Pray to God we don't break anything, because that seems to be the trend. We're going to reach down here and... Here goes the first one. Doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, that's... So this right here, that's semi of a healthy spark plug. You don't really want to see this stuff on it, but if you see white tips, that's how you know it's semi-good spark plugs. But this right here, you don't want to be corroded and everything. So let me get the new one. Now I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens, I guess. I just finished the 4 spark plugs on the driver's side. I'm gonna give a test run real fast before I start the right side. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not, but I need to see if it's going to shift correctly. It's running pretty good. We're just the 4 spark plugs in. Like I said, I don't know if I'm supposed to be running it like this, but obviously we're still going to change the right side, the passenger side, just in case, and go for another test run. But for right now, everything seems to be running fine. We're going to kind of give it a little bit of gas and a little bit of juice to see what happens. All right, made it up to 60, pretty good. Nothing bad has happened so far, knock on wood. It feels like it has more power to it as well, which is nice. Maybe those spark plugs were really bad. Yeah, I'm not getting the shakiness. I'm between 45 and 50, so like 47 right now, and typically there's a lot of shaking going on. We get the other ones on it, we're full send it and get ready for tomorrow's snowstorm, because I'm really curious on how this is going to perform in snow. And I'm hoping, because it says we're gonna get between 3 to 7 inches. I'm hoping for the max. I'm hoping we get a foot of snow. That would be nice to test drive the truck in. So I ended up taking off the entire front liner to get to the spark plugs, because this is just way more sufficient and easier for me to get to on this side, at least because of how tucked in these spark plugs are. Ooh, I don't even think that one was even on. See, not bad. Just so you guys can see it, it's an alright looking spark plug. It's not bad, but it's not good. Yeah, that's definitely fried. Okay, that's on there pretty good. Like I said, I don't want to overkill it, so just making sure that it's hand tight. Oh shoot, pull it all out. That one is bad. Now this right here, guys, is not how you want your spark plug to look. I mean, it's not entirely bad, but this is a bad spark plug. If I'm being honest with you, I feel like my brother probably didn't change this side because of how difficult it is to get to. That's probably what I'm gonna go with, but I mean, it could honestly been the fact that this side just was bad. Ooh, this is a bad one again. Look at that. That's fried. All right there. See all that blackness around the top there? Yeah, that's not good. There we go. I don't know if you're supposed to use power tools on this, but I highly suggest you guys don't. use power tools because I feel like these are really easy to break. Take care of your stuff. It's okay to do daily maintenance. I know the last video that I made about daily maintenance, you guys took that too literal. Like, it's okay to spend an hour on your truck a day, greasing things up, making sure everything's right, making sure your car is up to date. Yo, this side was just really bad. There we go. All right, let's put the car back to where it was and pray to God that this works and full send it and go on another drive. See you guys in the car. I really wish I had music to listen to, but unfortunately I broke my antenna, and that's a different story for another day. So let's see if this is going to work. I know this is gonna sound weird, but it actually sounds way better. I can't believe they're gonna charge me almost $500 to change my spark plugs, and I just did it myself. I guess it's too soon to tell, because who knows what's going to happen. I mean, something possibly could happen to where the spark plugs need to get looked at, but I mean, good to go. Now, I'm not one to really floor it, because that's how you break things, so don't expect me to like really get down on it, because that's not going to happen. I might jump on the highway maybe, see how it performs at 70 miles per hour, between 70 and 80. But yeah, the shakiness that I got before, completely gone. Like 100% gone. Those spark plugs were horrendous. Also, side note guys, the tailgate, I did fix the tailgate. It was all corroded on the inside, so I literally had to soak it down with WD-40. It's a little bit hard and a little bit wonky to open, but it works. And that's all that matters. So as long as I can open it and close it,